Developed for all public domain, Waqua Thema New Generation Disinfection Equipment detects body temperature with thermal camera and warns with alarm in case of fever. When stepped on, the equipment's smart sensor automatically starts and disinfects by spraying the solution in 3 to 4 seconds from 6 points. Minimizes slipping risk by base reservoir and collects the solution used in the reservoir. Equipment settings can be controlled over Android application. Waqua Thema Disinfection Solutions.